Пеги 18.
I blow shit up because I ain't no hippie. I got some inconveniences I need to settle. You think you know this city? Seen everything?
Jesus, shots fired, squad!
You gotta stay sharp, amigo. This all goes deeper than a dung beetle and a cow pie.
Shit, what happened to the power?
And if you want to peek through the looking glass, you're gonna need these. High-powered frequencies sent straight to your brain for one insane trip, brother. Things ain't always what they appear to be. Trust me, compadre, we got our work cut out for us. You ready to take a trip outside the normal?